Welcome to my world, the world of a medical laboratory scientist. Health is wealth, knowledge is power. The topic is collagen glycation and early aging. The term collagen is popular, should be known to all, is a protein that really creates that elasticity that we see on our skin. The skin is so glossy and it's not wrinkled. So when there is enough collagen in the body is not wrinkled. So a wrinkled body is that skin. When it becomes wrinkled, it's talking about aging. So you can look at people as aging when their wrinkles are coming out. Usually, wrinkle can even come out with marasmus, where somebody is really suffering from all loss of protein and other essential products, essential thing of the body that will make the body very glossy and elastic. But we have situation where you find people who are overfeeding, creating that wrinkle at very early age, because the collagen itself is being compromised in a way, because the excess sugar, the excess food, especially the sugar in it, will react with the protein. The collagen is a protein, so it will react with it and form a product that is called advanced glycation end products, which really cause the stiffness of this collagen. It makes the collagen stiff, and once it's well advanced, it becomes a problem. You start seeing the wrinkles very early in people, and that is part of the problem of this overeating, of eating fried food, roasted and what have you. Once it is too much, that is what it goes to cause. The age, what we call ages, will now create inflammatory problem and other start the aging process, which we'll see as the skin loses its elasticity and becomes stiffer. As usual, more knowledge will be presented in the slide session, but there are certain tests that are done so that you can know whether the collagen is being affected already, and one is seriously aging very early, and that is what I shall be exposing in the slide section. What the medical laboratory scientists test, the test they will perform to help in early detection of this problem that really creates aging and creates serious health challenges, the cardiovascular challenge, the diabetes problem, the hypertension. Just name all these chronic diseases. This collagen glycation could be the beginning. Funny enough, the collagen is itself slow. It has a very slow turnover, in the sense that it does not really destroy within a short period. It takes probably 10 years or even longer to get it destroyed. So once the collagen that stays so long and is acted upon to become stiff and cold, then you can understand that that process becomes irreversible, except to prevent it from starting. So once it has started, it becomes irreversible, because it will take minimum of 10 years for the collagen to be destroyed. All this information you will get in the slide section. As usual, just click the subscribe button and like button for more. The outline: objective introduction, lab diagnosis and prevention and control. The objective: to expose the glycation of excess sugar in the blood to protein or lipid that is measured as a glycosylated hemoglobin for effective diabetic control, and why collagen glycation measurement for effective control of aging process should be routinely done with it. The introduction. Collagen glycation happens when excess glucose in the diet attached to the protein non-enzymatically to produce advanced glycation end products, which are pro-inflammatory, starting the inflammation cascade that would eventually result in the collagen of the blood vessels, stiffening connective tissues, including the skin wrinkles and hair becoming brittle, dull. The skin becomes dull as a result. Early aging is a function of the collagen of the skin, which invariably or indirectly affects the internal organ because it also ages the internal organ, makes them stiff, and the blood will not be able to pass easily, creating that heart problems, coronary heart problems, diabetes as a result of too much sugars, as well as the hypertension because of the vessels that needs the heart has to pump very strongly, and other chronic diseases that are noticeable. Laboratory diagnosis. There is this subjective skin test that is usually done to just know the density of the collagen, how it has been affected, fluorescent tests, but these are not laboratory tests as such, and they are subjective. But the objective tests are what are listed here. The collagen vascular antibody panel checks for antibodies targeting connective tissues, that is and then the collagen type 1C2 is also measuring the bone breakdown, because collagen has to do with connective tissues, and it will affect or even present with osteoporosis. These are all aging diseases which needs to be monitored. Collagen type 2A detects antibodies against cartilage. Collagen binding assay assess the collagen binding defects and the hydroxyproline assay too. Yes, other tests are the collagen profile tests. They all have to do with autoimmunity, which has in relation to aging as well, because all these problems are found in aging people. Disease reactive protein, the ASO, the rheumatoid arthritis factor, and all of them are listed under the collagen profile tests. Prevention. When we talk of prevention, you just have to talk about excess eating. You reduce the sugar. It is the sugar that is attaching that is causing the problem. So one limits the sugar and even processed food. Antioxidant will help reduce the aging process because it's very effective. Take antioxidant. There's skincare product too with ingredients like this, niacinamide and the peptide. Healthy lifestyle, avoid smoking, manage stress and protect skin. Inflammation will always cause the cascade and block the vessels as well. Yeah, one thing certain is that excess diet is seriously implicated in this attachment that narrows all. It's like the beginning of the aging process. After all the enjoyment, then the wrinkles will start forming. The chronic diseases will start appearing. So watch more of my YouTube videos on this channel, and subscribe, and more quality production will come from here.